Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to customize your Waze app to sort gas stations based on what matters most to you. Whether you're looking to save money, minimize driving distance, or stay loyal to a specific brand, this quick tutorial has you covered. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu, tap on the Settings option. After that, tap on Gas Stations. This section allows you to personalize how Waze displays fuel options near your location. Then, tap on the option labeled Sort Stations By. You'll be presented with three choices: price, distance, and brand. If you select price, Waze will list gas stations starting with the cheapest. If you choose distance, stations will be sorted by how close they are to your current location. And if you select brand, the stations will appear grouped by fuel company. Finally, choose the sorting option that best fits your needs. Then exit the menu. Your preferences will now be saved automatically and applied during your next gas station search. And that's how you set up your gas station sorting preferences in the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful mobile tips and tricks every day.